Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've done a Word tutorial video, so I'm going to try and do one this evening. And this evening I'm going to show you how to make your own custom set modules. Now, the Word comes with already some predefined module sets, and I'm going to show them to you right here. If you go over to any of your other windows besides your Bible view, all of them will have these little book icons. Let me zoom in a little bit here so you can see it. And you'll notice these little book icons here. If you click this drop down arrow, it'll tell you have all modules, dictionaries, commentaries, books, maps and graphics, and reading plans. Those are the main sets, the default sets that come with the Word modules. Now you'll notice I've got a couple of different ones: Bible background, hermeneutic studies, and critical commentary sets. Those are some of my custom sets that I've built, and I'm going to show you how to make a custom set. Now what happens when you make a custom set is you're going to define which books and resources that you want within that set. So that way when you use that set, only those resources will be in there. And it's very helpful if you have a lot of modules. Again, let me show you what I'm talking about. Right now I've got it checked under all modules. Suppose I want to find a different book. I'll come over here, go up to these double arrows, and I'm going to click. And as you can see, I have quite a few modules added on here. So you go down and hit all these modules, and there's so many of them. But suppose you want to define very quickly different sets. That's where the custom module set will come in handy. It's very easy to do. All you want to do is, again, go to any of these book icons that are in any of your views, with the exception of the Bible book, the Bible view. So you want to click on your book icon, and you want to come down to where it says Define Module Sets. You're going to click that, and you're going to have this little pop-up window here pop up. And what you're going to do is you're going to create a custom set. So go ahead and click on that. And as you notice here, you've got all of your modules here that are in your Word sets here. And then over here, you've got all your module sets too. So we're going to define our module sets, and we're going to create it. So what you want to do then is you want to click this button that says Clear Tree, and you're going to get a confirmation. Just go ahead and hit Yes. Now, by default, most of the time, that is unchecked. The Save the Set box is unchecked. And when it's unchecked, you'll notice that it's grayed out. You can't do anything with it. I can click it all day long and nothing will happen. But if you click this box, you'll see that the box is then opened up and you can type in it. So I'm going to call this set, let's call it Word Studies. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to these books and modules that I have here on the left, and I'm going to drag over whatever I want that will fit under the category of Word Studies. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my dictionaries, because most of the dictionaries are your lexicons. So I'm going to take Girdlestone here, that's the Old Testament. So I'm going to drag it and drop it. You see how it drops very easily. I'll go ahead and do my tense voice mood. That's more of a tense voice mood, but we'll go ahead and do that just to have that. Vines obviously is one. AMGL, which is one. Ancient Hebrew Lexicon Bible, that's one. The Shosharim, or Shorsharim, however you say it, that's one. BDB, and you got BDB and Brown Driver Briggs. Now, one of the problems I found with the BDB and Thayer combination is that a lot of the Strong's numbers are actually wrong. They're coded wrong to the different words. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip the BDB Thayer. I'm just going to go ahead and drag over the regular BDB, the Brown Driver Briggs, without the Thayers. We're going to use the Liddell Scott Intermediate Dictionary. And we're also going to use the LSJ, the regular Liddell Scott. And then I also want my TDNT, the Theological Dictionary Abridged. I'm going to have that. I think that's going to be a wrap. So you see I've got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got a total of 10 books here, which is much, much better than having, 100 to sort through. So I've got it. I've already got it checked. I've already got my name, and I'm going to hit OK. So now let me zoom out so you can see here. I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to click, and if you look down there, there's word studies right there. It's already checked. I can jump back and forth to any one I want. And let's say I want to do word studies. Now, I'm going to zoom in very quickly again so you can see. And you can see only the books that I chose for this set are in here. And if I hit these double arrows, I just have a very small list to jump through rather than, a couple of hundred. So that's pretty much it on creating your own or defining your own custom module sets. It's actually very useful. You can break all your books up into categories, and it will help a great deal in your study. Hope this has been helpful. Leave me some kind of a feedback or a comment, letting me know if it helped or if you got any questions. Thanks.